What's up, pretty gang? Today's video is going to be a highly requested coconut scented shower routine, and pretty much I'm showing you guys my products and stuff like that, and so you could just watch. So now I'm using this coconut coffee scrub and wash by OGX, which smells really good and suds up really good. Then I'll be using this all natural pH balancing feminine wash by Honey Pot, and it's sensitive for sensitive areas, so you know. Now that I'm out the shower, I'm gonna do my Cook Restore capsules, which I love these. Then I'm gonna be taking this coconut oil extra virgin cold press, which smells just like coconuts, and I'm applying that to my skin for moisture. Then I'm taking this Dove Advanced Care Caring Coconut deodorant, and I'm applying it to my armpits because you know your girl want to be fresh. Then I'm taking this Fresh Coconut Colada perfume by Bath & Body Works. It's actually a body mist, and I'm spraying it on my skin. It smells really good. It smells just like coconut, and I love it. It was quick, but that sums up my shower routine, coconut scented. Subscribe. Okay, so you know how.
Let me see them shoes. I'm gonna call.
So you know how everybody be doing promos of this? Ain't this so cool? How they got like the little shots, like shine booster shots, curl definition booster shots. I don't know what you could. I think you're supposed to put this inside. I think you're supposed to put it inside of your hair product. So I guess like you can customize, like you see shine, curl definition. You can customize it. That is so cool. I would buy this, but I'm not gonna do that. But I would use it if y'all sponsor me.
shit up, TNT.
Mixed signals.
Hey, that shit up, TNT.
Mixed signals.